Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make a very effective pimple soap that works real well on pimples. So let's dive straight into today's video. So for the oil face, I'll be using shea butter, I'll be using olive oil, and also I'll be using virgin coconut oils. So these are the oils that I'll be using for the oil face, and I'm just going to pass the shea through the double boiler method. So here you have it guys, the shea butter, the coconut oil, and the olive oil mixed together, and the shea butter has been melted, and I've allowed it to cool down. Next I'll be adding in my lye water. This is a mix of lye and water, and I've allowed it to cool down for about 30 minutes, and I'm just going to gently stir it in with my spatula. Please pardon the poor lighting as it was evening while I was doing this video. So I'm just going to work real fast because with shea butter, this particular soap will trace super fast. So I'm going to really work real fast because it's going to trace really fast. So that's what I'm doing right now. Guys, this soap really works for pimples. If you use morning and night, that's to say rapid improvements within 5-7 days of consistent use, guys. So like I said, I'm just stirring in my batter and then it is thickened up. So I'll just quickly brush it with my stick blender, give it one final mix before I start to add in my active powders. These are the powders that are really going to work and dry out those pimples. Now, the powders that I'll be adding include my activated charcoal powder. Like I said, I'm going to be dropping all of the measurements, all the quantity I use, so you need not bother about that. Just check that below in my description box. So I'll be adding my neem powder as well, and I'll be adding in my tea tree oil. Guys, these three actives work super well on pimple. So that's what I'll be adding right now. Now I'm making just a little portion that will probably give me 4 to 5 bars of soap. So this is not a large quantity. So I really need to stir this in, guys, because of the activated charcoal and the neem powder. I need to really stir it in very well so that everything can incorporate very well into the soap batter. Now on the other side, I already poured out a little quantity, very little quantity, because I wanted the base of the soap to be kind of creamy and then the top to be the black part, that's the activated charcoal. So I'm just really working in the activated charcoal and the neem powder so that it can really incorporate into the soap batter. So guys, to use the soap, you're just going to apply on the face, leave on for about 5 to 10 minutes and wash off. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to get my mold and then I'll pour in the smaller batter first of all as my base before I pour in the larger batter. So I just poured in the smaller batter and then I'm going to pour in the large batter on top of it. Now, because the soap is so thick at the moment, I can't really do so much design with it. Oh my goodness, sorry guys, I'm so sorry. I didn't know that my camera had stopped filming when I was pouring in the butter. So all I just did was pour in the butter and then try to make a simple design using my fork. So guys, it's day 2 and our soap is finally molded. Now I couldn't find my fanciful silicone mold, so I had to use my baking paper for this particular soap. So I'm just going to remove the baking paper and then bring out the soap. Now because the shea butter I used in making this soap, this is going to be a hard bar, which is a kind of good thing because with this your soap is going to last real long and it's going to be nourishing. You're also going to enjoy the benefits of shea butter. So I just opened the mold and then I brought out my soap and this is what it looks like, guys. Not too much of a design, but I just don't want to leave the surface blank. So that's it, guys. I'm just going to cut it with my knife because like I said, it's a real small batch of soap. Now normally this is the cutter I use for my soap. I use this to cut the bigger batches of soap. This is what it looks like. So I use this to cut my soap, but because this is just for this particular video, I won't be using that because like I said earlier, it's a small batch. I'm just going to get on my knife and then I'm going to cut this into 4 or 5 bars of soap. So guys, that's it. This is how to make your very own acne or pimple soap, and you're going to get massive results with the use of this soap. So I'm going to leave this soap to cure, and after curing I'll bring it out for use. So after this I'm going to get my knife to cut out the other parts that are messy and leave in a good beautiful bar of soap. So thanks guys for watching this video. And if you've not subscribed, you're watching this video, if you're watching my video for the first time, just take this minute to pause, click on the red subscribe button so that you do not miss any videos on my DIYs, as I promise to be more frequent, showing you more videos on how to make different skin products for your skin. Also, do take time to check out my previous videos on how to make your Afka soap, your Snow White body lotion, your mulatto soap. I have so much videos, so you just click on my videos and watch so many videos on how to make different skin products for your skin. So guys, that's what it looks like. At the end, we came up with 4 bars, beautiful black looking activated charcoal pimple soap. So thanks guys, till my next video.